Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at 8Cap. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. 8Cap is an Australian Forex and CFD broker that was founded in 2009. They are regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission and the Securities Commission of the Bahamas, and they have a Trustpilot rating of 4.4 out of 5. As an 8Cap client, you will be able to trade over 1,000 instruments on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, and you will also have access to a variety of premium quality trading tools, such as Capitalise.ai, FX Blue Labs, CryptoCrusher, and the amazing trading charting algorithm. We recommend 8Cap for all types of traders, including beginners, and there are flexible account types to choose from. 8Cap offers a multilingual website that is user-friendly and easy to navigate. The homepage highlights some of their exclusive features, and as you scroll down, you will find more information about the platforms you can use and the accounts you can open. They also share some market news on the homepage, and the available payment methods are displayed at the very bottom of the page. You can either use the menu bar to learn more about their accounts, platforms, instruments and tools, or scroll all the way down to the bottom of the homepage and choose an option from the lists. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with 8Cap, simply hover your cursor over the Markets tab and choose an instrument from the drop-down menu. Or you can scroll all the way down and choose an instrument from the Trading Instruments list at the very bottom of the homepage. 8Cap currently offers more than 35 currency pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips. You can contact the 8Cap customer support team directly via telephone or email, and you can also reach them 24 hours a day through live chat. Customer support is available in several languages, and you can also visit the FAQ section to look for answers to some of the most commonly asked questions. 8Cap accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. MetaTrader 4 and 5 are currently ranking amongst the most popular trading platforms in the world. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005, and MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010. These platforms are renowned for their advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and they can be downloaded for free. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution: one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, suggested trading strategies, expert advisors, and more. With MetaTrader 5, you get access to advanced platform customization, optimized processing of expert advisors and indicators, access to smart trader tools and AutoChartist, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click trading, fundamental analysis, and more. You will also have access to multiple trading tools, including Capitalise.ai, which can be used to automate trading strategies and can be used by traders who have no technical skills. This tool comes with built-in risk management features, trading signals, and technical indicators. CryptoCrusher is a tool that can be used to conveniently scan the crypto markets using exclusive crypto indicators. You can monitor crypto market sentiments and get daily crypto trading ideas. You can also use this tool to access educational resources on crypto trading, and there is a 24-hour chat room you can join if you have any questions or ideas. You can also use the amazing Trader tool, which is a dynamic charting algorithm with built-in risk management features that you can test out for free for up to 28 days. 8Cap offers 2 types of live trading accounts with competitive spreads Both accounts can be used with expert advisors and can be funded using up to 7 base currencies and 9 secure payment methods. The first type of account you can open with 8Cap is the standard account, which is a commission-free account with spreads starting at 0.5 pips. You can also open a raw account that offers spreads as low as 0 pips, but a small commission fee is charged when using this account. Both accounts require a minimum deposit of at least $100 to be activated and can be used for hedging and scalping. However, hedging is unfortunately not allowed for clients based in Australia. The maximum leverage allowed on 8Cap accounts is currently 1 to 500. If you are new to trading, then we recommend opening a demo account first to practice on. With 8Cap, you can open a demo account that can be connected to MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which will give you an opportunity to test out the tools and features of these platforms. You can also use the demo account to test new strategies and trading ideas that you're working on without depositing any real money. It appears that 8Cap does not currently give their clients the option to convert their accounts to swap-free accounts. However, this option could become available in the future. Creating an account with 8Cap may take up to 24 hours, depending on the type of account you would like to open. But the account creation process is straightforward, and you can contact their customer support team if you have any questions about your account. Firstly, launch the 8Cap homepage, and then click on the Create Account button. Complete the online application form, and once you have completed the form, verify your account and email address. Next, you can log into the client portal. Once you have logged into the client portal, you can manage your accounts, browse through tools, reports, contests, education, and support. Once your account has been verified and set up, the next step would be to download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred platform, and then simply log in with the credentials provided. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with 8Cap. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a nice and simple buy and sell order window and a variety of tools that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, 8Cap provides a wide variety of platform tutorial guides to help you get started with the basics of platform functionality. With regards to educational material, 8Cap is one of our top-rated beginner-friendly brokers, and they also provide a great selection of resources for analysis and market news. If you are trading for the very first time and you are looking for guides and tutorials on using the platforms and the basics of trading and trading strategies, then you will be happy to know that you can find all of these learning materials and more on the 8Cap website. They provide how-to trading guides, guides on using trading strategies and the fundamentals of trading, as well as tutorials on the MetaTrader platforms. Once you get the hang of the basics of trading, you can head over to the market news and analysis section, where you will have access to live webinars, market updates, and CFD trading ideas. Over its years of service in operation, 8Cap have received a variety of notable awards. Some of their most recent awards include the Best Customer Service Broker in 2021, the Best MetaTrader 4 Trading Experience in Asia, the Global Forex Awards Retail in 2021, the #1 Most Cryptos of 2022, the Best Crypto Broker in 2021, and more. Overall, 8Cap is a trusted, beginner-friendly online broker with over 1,000 currency pairs, commodities, indices, shares, and cryptocurrencies. With 8Cap, you can enjoy super tight spreads, commission-free trading, and dedicated customer support. 8Cap offers flexible accounts with competitive trading conditions and we consider them a low-risk broker that is suitable for all types of traders. And that is our overview of 8Cap. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.